Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a credit note to the Invoice2go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the More button down below, which is the last option. After that, you should go to the Other Documents section and click on Credit Notes. Tap on Add a Credit Note down below. Here, if you tap on the first section, you can select the credit note date and the credit note number as well. If you go back, you can add a client and add the items, first indicating the item name, then item description, then also the rate, quantity, and you can also indicate these other options. Then click on the Add button at the top. You can add more items if you want to. Here you can find the expenses, so the subtotal and total amount, and you can add other information as well here by typing it into this section, and you can add photos by choosing one from your gallery or taking a photo with your phone. Then if you tap on the preview button, you are going to see how it looks like, and you can save it by tapping on the save button at the top. If you click on the next button down below, you can send it. So you can select whether you would like to forward it via email, text message, or other options such as airdrop, messages, and so on. You can print it out, export as a PDF file, sign it. If you tap on it, you are going to be able to add the client's signature here. Tap on the button Save at the top and the other signature too. So if you tap on document, you will be able to see that it appeared on it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.